this has just got bigger and bigger year after year. There's thousands of people that come to this place. There's people that come from Manchester today that I've spoken to. I think someone's come from London today, and the Forscombe rhubarb is second to none.
It's nice to see Wakefield really busy and vibrant and everybody having a good time. Because you don't always get that when you come to Wakefield. It's a really good atmosphere, everybody's happy and lots of people buying things, which is good for the economy. Really, really good. Everybody's happy.
Yeah, I got a rhubarb candle, I got a fresh rhubarb, and I even tried the rhubarb and the pork pie, and the rhubarb, some sweetie, and the rhubarb pizza. A lot, I know.
I've ate some of the cakes, like the Rocky Road cakes and stuff, and they're really nice and delicious and I like them.
I think this is absolutely brilliant for bringing families together and bringing everybody together. It's just what the world needs right now. So thank you.